This is my car. It's a Toyota 100 that's been remade to look like an FJ60. Never been much of a car guy, but when I saw these old Toyotas, I kind of fell in love with them.
I still really like this car, like, it looks good.
People kept saying they're too big for Tokyo, but hey, no problem so far. So I was given the opportunity to go off-road with it. I had no idea what to expect, but I was so excited. Spoilers, it didn't go so great.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, this is actually...
It actually went amazing.
Good morning! Going off-roading today with the Toyota. Got a couple people joining as well. I'm very excited for it. It should be really fun. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us, so let's go. All right, here we are. Intense.
This off-roading track had a bunch of different obstacles and rated different stars based on how difficult they were. What could possibly go wrong? We started off with me taking off in the first track.
All right, let's go, boys. Already? Wait, where's he going?
This is it. It feels like little kids playing with their toy cars.
Yeah.
Oh!
Go slower.
Sorry. Go faster. Oh yeah, you gotta go faster.
No, don't go fast.
Those
Oh my fucking god! I can't see where we're going. That's the point.
We're in the trees.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, definitely go slow. Try to be as gentle as possible. This is. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, is the back end of the car gone? We're good.
Yeah,
Fucking go!
this is.
I'm not even driving. It's just like sliding.
Fuck, that's incredible.
Okay, you gotta center. We're gonna die. You're all right.
Yeah,
we are gonna.
Not crazy fast. God. Whoa.
Whoa. Fuck yeah.
Look at this bridge. Oh, here comes the fucking seesaw.
Oh, we're doing the seesaw.
Fuck. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, now stop. No, slow. Slow. Slow.
Whoa! That's literally a fucking theme park ride.
He said later we'll do more advanced stuff. I thought that was the advanced stuff.
That was single diamond. Up next is double diamond.
We of course took turns, everyone got to try.
Not a chance.
It's way scarier in the back.
Woo! No hands! You
What?
motherfucker! Did he find? God
No,
damn
wait,
it!
right. Turn right. Turn right.
Rolled over.
Oh, that's so cool.
So on the V-Groove obstacle, it's really difficult to not hit your back bumper on the way out. I hit it, but it's my car, so it's okay. But Kevin, I'll never forgive this.
Wait. Shh. I need to concentrate. Oh, he got it! He got it! He got it! Kevin, he got it! You just ripped the bumper.
Nothing.
Fine.
There we go.
Next up, we got to ride with one of the professional drivers, and oh boy, that was wild.
Whoa!
これはまずパーキングしてローパーキングローレッドおお
Wow. These guys are crazy. That was the wildest ride ever.
You're next.
I'm shocked.
I'm actually terrified. I'm less impressed by your driving feelings. That was S tier. Wow.
After that horrifying experience, we took one more lap and we saw this mud pile.
Keep going, keep right.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah.
Wait, no.
We got the thumbs up to go through it.
We got the sunset.
Roll up your window, Will.
No.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, this is actually fucked.
Wait, this is a picture moment.
Oh no! Oh fuck! What?
He wants a picture.
Oh.
Honestly, I felt really embarrassed by this.
What have I done?
You've given them a gift.
They insisted that I was going to be the one who towed the car out, which is a terrible idea because I never done anything like that either before.
Alright. Swedish strength.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! You tore the bumper off! Why would you do that? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Did it work? Very strong toe strap. It did not.
Alan, remember when I told you about the tire? That's what it's for. We need to ruin 3 cars.
Alright, we have one other option, I guess.
Good job. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. That's.
One more.
We kept trying so many times. I couldn't tell what I was doing. I honestly didn't think we were gonna get it out.
How's it going, Felix?
I have no idea.
But we kept trying and it looks like we were making some progress.
Did it happen again?
No.
Go! Yes! Oh my God.
It looks like a chocolate cake.
It did not look like that. Oh, Kevin! Stop.
Should assess the damage.
What?
Assess the damage.
Might need to heal up a bit.
We'll fix it. No problem.
We gave her a clean and then it was time to head back home.
Good splash.
Big thanks to Alan, Kevin, and Will for joining me, and of course Flex for setting this up. They're the ones that sell the Toyotas. I don't think I ever would have done this if it weren't for their invitation, so yeah. And don't worry, she's fixed now. They took care of it. Maybe you're cringing because we totally wrecked the cars. I'm usually really precious about my stuff, but it was so fun to just, I don't know, be a kid and just mess around for a day. I loved it. It's such a great memory and I'm so glad I'm able to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching this video. That's it.